It's been 10 long years since I left my home, and the hall is where I was born. And a coup for a nice nigga full of pride, and a false under blown his horn. I fell